Want to build a stunning website in minutes without a single line of code? Stick around and I'll show you how to create your first site using Gamma, the simplest way to make beautiful websites fast. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through building your first Gamma website. We'll start from signing up, go through the features, and end with publishing your site. Let's dive in. All right, the first step is to head over to Gamma. You can sign up quickly with your Google account or email. Super easy. With Gamma, you can start for free, and if you need premium features, it's just $8 a month. Now that we're in, click on Create New and select Website. This is where the magic happens. Let's give Gamma a prompt. Type something like, create a website for AI-TLDR with a homepage, video library, blog, newsletter sign-up, about contact page, plus AI recommendations, and a chatbot for support. Boom! Gamma will generate a professional-looking website layout, complete with text and placeholder images. Now, let's make it your own. Just click on any text or image to edit it. Want to rearrange things? Just drag and drop. Gamma also lets you switch between different themes and colors, so you can give your site a whole new vibe in seconds. When you're happy with your design, click Preview. Gamma shows you exactly how your site will look on both desktop and mobile. Looks good? Hit Publish. And just like that, your site is live. Gamma gives you a shareable link, so you can start showing off your website right away. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this one.